I'm gonna show y'all how easy it is to put these rubber tire stickers on. First, you want to make sure your tire is clean. No Armor All, no tire shine, none of that chemicals on your tire. Make sure to put this glue all over the letters, man, each and every letter. Then place it at the desired location and press down on it. Man, yes, it's really this simple, man. Say the dude was trying to charge me $500, man. When you can do it yourself. The kit is only $150 at Amazon. The link's in my bio. You can get your own kit. You can pick your own colors, your own letter font. Check it out, man. I recommend buying extra containers of glue, though. You need a whole lot of glue. This bottle right here is for cleaning the letters. Man, look at my fingers. I didn't put no gloves on, man. That glue is very sticky.